The opposite of a correct statement is a false statement. But the opposite of a profound truth may well be another profound truth. Those who are not shocked when they first come across quantum theory cannot possibly have understood it. How wonderful that we have met with a paradox. Now we have some hope of making progress. The meaning of life consists in the fact that it makes no sense to say that life has no meaning. Every great and deep difficulty bears in itself its own solution. It forces us to change our thinking in order to find it. We are all agreed that your theory is crazy. The question which divides us is whether it is crazy enough to have a chance of being correct. My own feeling is that it is not crazy enough. There are trivial truths and there are great truths. The opposite of a trivial truth is plainly false. The opposite of a great truth is also true. You can recognize a small truth because its opposite is a falsehood. The opposite of a great truth is another truth. Physics is not about how the world is, it is about what we can say about the world. You must come to Copenhagen to work with us. We like people who can actually perform thought experiments. Everything we call real is made of things that cannot be regarded as real. If quantum mechanics hasn't profoundly shocked you, you haven't understood it yet. In our description of nature, the purpose is not to disclose the real essence of the phenomena but only to track down, as far as possible, relations between the manifold aspects of our experience. The best weapon of a dictatorship is secrecy, but the best weapon of a democracy should be the weapon of openness. The very fact that knowledge is itself the basis for civilization points directly to openness as the way to overcome the present crisis. An expert is a person who has made all the mistakes that can be made in a very narrow field. It is wrong to think that the task of physics is to find out how nature is. Physics concerns what we say about nature.